I'm from Jubra. It's today's my speech competition class that I'm so happy, I'm so excited for it. And first of all, I want to thanks to my respected teachers who has given me this golden chance for the speaking on the stage.
Motivate yourself.
And today,
You come from middle class family and you need motivation. Why? Have you seen your father? How does he live? What does he eat?
What's the importance of hard work? What's the value of hard work? Should we do hard work? Today I will tell you about hard work. Hard work is very important for everybody and it is very important for human life. And if you do hard work,
Someone has well said, if you were born in poor family, that's not your mistake. But if you die in poor family, that's your mistake. Hello there, this is Ankit here on the stage right before you to expose poverty. And as well as I'll try to motivate you. So before beginning my speech, I would like to say millions of thanks to my teachers for inviting me here.
Most welcome.
So guys, as you know, I'm going to talk about poverty. So do you know what is poverty? Let me tell you. Poverty is a condition where people face problem and opportunities, rights and education are deprived from them. And my dear friends, poverty is big issue for every country. Every country is facing poverty. Did you ever think how to overcome poverty? My dear friends, there are many factors who depends on poverty, such as lack of money, lack of education, lack of confidence, and demotivation, excuses, unemployment, and many things. And there are many people who think money comes by only education. Really? No. Education is only one source to earn money. And there are many sources to earn money. And my dear friends, some of you who feel demotivation, remember one thing. If you are feeling demotivation, that's your mistake. Nobody can motivate you. And if anybody is motivating you, that's only for 3 days, 5 days, or maximum 1 week. That's enough. But the question is that, why do you need to motivate yourself? You come from middle class family and you need motivation. Why? Have you seen your father? How does he live? What does he eat? How clothes he wears? Did you ever think it? My dear friends, only a father wants his child become great than him. So my dear friends, be educated and do something hard. And my dear friends, if I talk about hard work is the most expensive weapon. By that we can do anything. And my dear friends, never compare yourself to anyone, because every fruit has different taste. And nothing is more beautiful than when your father and mother will cry on your achievement. My dear friends, if I talk about me, once I said to my father, I want to become an engineer. He asked to me, what the fees, what the university, and where to go. Then I started searching on Google, YouTube, how to become an engineer, what is the fees, what is the salary, what is the package. And I searched 10 times or maximum 20 times. And one day I saw Google search of my father's phone. He have searched 80 times, 90 times, 100 times. It means my father is more worried than me for my future. It's very great. So you should think they are very careful for you. My dear friends, at the last I want to say, keep patience. Empire takes time to build. And I know you didn't born in rich family, but do something and show to the world you have done something. By that your child will born in rich family. And I would like to end my speech with few lines. If you have courage to start something, then you have definitely courage to do something. That's it. Thank you so much.
to my respected teachers,
Good morning.
and having an energetic morning to my dear friends.
Good morning.
Well, this is Virat. I'm from Jubra. It's today's my speech competition class that I'm so happy, I'm so excited for it. And first of all, I wanted to thanks to my respected teachers who has given me this golden chance for the speaking on the stage. And today I'm so excited for the speaking because I have a topic to speak in front of you. My topic name is pollution. What is pollution and what is means of pollution? Before being my speech, I wanted to ask a question. So guys, what is pollution and what is means of pollution? Can you tell me? Anyone? Can you tell me? What is pollution and what is means of pollution? No anyone? So my dear friends, today I will tell you what is pollution and what is means of pollution. Pollution is very harmful for us. It can affect on our bodies, and because of it our health can be bad. And pollution increases global warming, and we should try to plant the trees, because if you plant the trees then the pollution can be decreased. And in the world there are 4 types of pollution. First, water pollution. This garbage be thrown on the rivers, ponds and lakes. Because of the garbage the river convert into the water pollution. That's why we should not throw the garbage in the ponds and rivers and lakes. We should throw on the dustbin. And second, soil pollution. This garbage throws on the soil. Because of the garbage the soil convert into the soil pollution. When any soil has converted into the soil pollution, we will do something on that. Then that can affect on our health. And that's why we should not throw the garbage in the soil. We should throw on the dustbin. And third, air pollution. When the anywhere kindle the fire, what smoke goes on the air that can affect, then the air convert into the air pollution that can affect on our health also. And that's why I'm saying, please don't kindle the fire and don't kindle the forest of the trees for the earning money. And somebody were thinking in this time, if we will not kindle the fire, so how can we make the food? I'm telling, in the world there is gas. You can make food, you can cook the food because of the gas. And fourth, last, sound pollution. Sound pollution is also harmful for us. When anywhere the DJ comes and when the DJ played, then that can what bases comes out, that can give us a heart attack. And because of that you can dead. That's why we should not play the DJ in high bass. We should play in the low bass.
Very good lines were written in a poem. It was written in those lines. At a man find only 2 true friends. One is a mirror and other is shadow. Mirror will never lie and the shadow will never leave him. Having a great afternoon to my respected teacher.
Good afternoon.
Wishing a marvelous afternoon to my dear friends. Well, this is Arna here on the stage in front of you. And thank you so much, sir, for inviting me and giving me a golden chance. And thank you so much, guys, for coming here and giving me a precious moment. And today I am so happy and today I am so excited because I have chance to speak something. And today it's a speech competition and we are competing to each other. And today I have an amazing topic, hard work. What is hard work? What is the importance of hard work? What is the value of hard work? Should we do hard work? Today I will tell you about hard work. Hard work is very important for everybody. And it is very important for human life. And if you do hard work, your body will be strong. If you do hard work, you can never sleep hungry. And we can take example of farmer. In field, there is a lot of work. Like as filling the field, plough the field, sow grains, fertilizing. If they don't do hard work, they can't get grain. They do very hard work in field, then they get grain. And hard work teaches us discipline, dedication and determination. Hard work must not limit to work, but also your personal life. If you do hard work, by hard work, you can achieve your goal, achieve your aim. You can take money, knowledge, education, you can live an energetic life, you can take luxury cars, you can achieve anything. And in life, we all have dream and goal. We want achieve and something special, something great. We can't do something great, something special, we can't do. And the more hard you work, the more result you will get. And in last, I want to say a saying. भूखा नहीं सोया कभी मजबूर बनकर. अजी भूखा नहीं सोया कभी मजबूर बनकर, अपने सपने बेचकर खिलाए बाप ने मजदूर बनकर.
My dear friends, don't think it's a speech. Only think it's a success of door. From where? You can go somewhere. Hello to all of you. This is Gurpreet here to expose a beautiful topic that is public speaking. So my dear friends, if you not know something, if you not do something, if you not see something, if you not be something, if you not achieve something, so please try to listen me. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank to all of you for coming here, sitting here and calling me on the stage. What is public speaking? What is the power of public speaking? How to learn public speaking very soon. And my dear friends, how to be a public speaker. If I tell you what is a public speaking, so see guys, public speaking is name, fame, power, money, respect, success and everything. For example, if you know public speaking, so you can motivate people. If you know public speaking, so you can inspire people. If you know public speaking, you can motivate people. If you know public speaking, so you can teach people. If you know public speaking, so you can be something, anything. If you know public speaking. So my dear friends, it's called public speaking. If I tell you what's the power of public speaking, so see guys, suppose that you all are nothing, but you have a skill. That is public speaking. So my dear friends, you can be popular by public speaking. You can be famous